a public dispute between top Rochester leaders and a Rochester City Court judge playing out in court today. Our Adam Chodak was there and joins us now with what happened here. Adam.
Hi, Natalie, thank you so much. So Rochester Police, City Hall, and Monroe County Executive Adam Bello all accusing Judge Van White, the city court judge, of not doing enough to protect alleged victims of domestic violence. Today, one of these cases in question at issue here was back in court, and through that hearing, we heard from Judge White. Given his position as city court judge, Van White says he cannot comment on controversies like the one now swirling around a few of his recent decisions in domestic violence cases. This case today is one of them. 40-year-old Aritza Babemi Nana is accused of injuring a Rochester police officer during an arrest attempt prompted by an order of protection violation. Last week, Judge White released him, but put an ankle monitor on him and told him he could not leave home unless he was going to work. Today, he set Monday as a preliminary hearing.
And the people, you understand that if you fail to proceed with a preliminary hearing on March the 2nd, that would be Monday, at 2 o'clock, that the court would have no choice but to release Mr. Nana. Do you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
That warning comes after White did just that on Tuesday in a separate domestic violence case. The defense attorney in that case, Rachel Wade, said White had no choice and was just following the law. But today, Monroe County Executive Adam Bello said the decision to release a defendant without bail in cases like these can set the table for this kind of situation.
That makes it incredibly difficult in the hands of a district attorney to move forward with a preliminary hearing and to move forward making charges on a case when a judge releases the accused back out onto the street, and now the victim is in a position of having to engage in the prosecution of the offender while the offender is out, and that makes it harder to move forward on the case.
So Bello says White has discretion when setting bail in these cases, but defense attorney Wade says White's bail decisions have been far from egregious and take into account the defendant's rights.
When Judge White reviewed all the factors of the bail statute and what would ensure Mr. Smith's return to court, he decided to release Mr. Smith with an ankle monitor to home confinement, so the GPS monitor tracked his whereabouts. I believe Mr. Smith was allowed to go to and from work, and that's it. Otherwise, he had to stay within his home.
So yesterday, we reached out to City Hall asking them if they shared the concerns that are out there, and they said that they did. We also asked the district attorney, Brian Green, for comment yesterday, and he declined. Now,
get the Rochester First streaming app today for everything you love from News 8 on demand, plus exclusive shows you won't see anywhere else. Search ROC and download for free on Roku, Amazon Fire, and Apple TV.